And the oiler works really well. It's pumping the oil, which is good. It's a piece of hardwood, I think. No problem. This works great. This is some hardwood. Big piece of cedar.
Trying out our new chainsaw pruner with the 6-inch blade that came already attached. It also comes with an 8-inch blade. Attaches to a Dewalt 20-volt battery, which we have. I've already tried it out. It seems to work really well. I've just staged this for video purposes, but here we go. Hopefully you can see all of this. Yeah. You guys see this? Yes, there. Okay, as always, safety first, goggles on. That's just a small branch, but it cuts it fairly cleanly. No issues. Do the bigger part of the branch now. Hopefully you can see that. Bigger part of the branch done. And there you have it. It works really well. No complaints about that. It has an 8-inch blade that comes with it as well, and this worked really well. I'm going to be using this all over the property. Yeah, have a great day.